Adiosadipost.com. Fantastic health benefits of lentils. The health benefits of lentils include a high protein content, improved digestion, a healthy heart, diabetes control, control of cancer, weight loss, a solution for anemia, and better electrolytic activity due to potassium. It's good for pregnant women, the prevention of atherosclerosis, and it helps in maintaining a healthy nervous system. Lentils are edible pulses or seeds that belong to the legume family. These lentils mostly consist of two halves covered in a husk. Both the seeds are lens-shaped, which is why they're called lens culinaris in Latin. Lentils are also one of the oldest known sources of food, dating back more than 9,000 years. Lentils can be consumed with or without the husk. Prior to the invention of milling machines, lentils were eaten with the husk. The husk contains the highest amount of dietary fiber. After the milling process was invented, the husk or skin was removed, and the dietary fiber in lentils disappeared. Some of the popular kinds of lentils include black lentils, red lentils, brown lentils, mung bean, yellow split peas, yellow lentils, macachiados lentils, French green lentils, black-eyed pea, kidney beans, soya beans, and many more varieties. Each country has its own native group of lentils, which are more or less similar and provide the same benefits. Lentils, with a high protein content, are considered a cheap source of protein. They are a rich source of essential amino acids like isoleucine and lysine. They're also a good source of micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals. Lentils are consumed much more often in Asian countries, particularly India. India has the largest number of vegetarians, and lentils can be a substitute for meat in supplying the required protein. One very good way to have lentils is after they've sprouted, because sprouted lentils contain methionine and cysteine. These two amino acids are very significant in muscle building and strengthening of our body. Methionine is an essential amino acid that is supplied through the food, and cysteine is a non-essential amino acid that can be synthesized. Nutritional value of lentils. Lentils contain the highest amount of protein originating from any plant. The amount of protein found in lentils is up to 35%, which is comparable to red meat, poultry, fish, and dairy products. Lentils contain carbohydrates, 15 to 25 grams per 100. They're a good source of dietary fiber, and also have a low amount of calories. Other nutritious components found are molybdenum, folate, tryptophan, manganese, iron, phosphorus, copper, vitamin B1, and potassium. Lentils are also another source of phytochemicals and phenols. Both of these organic chemicals are known to provide health benefits, but the mechanism behind their work is yet to be determined. Often, lentils and meat are compared for their effectiveness, and many people vote for meat as the best source of protein. It's true that lentils do not contain all the amino acids, but they do have less fat content when compared with meat. Health benefits of lentils. Lentils, as an ancient food source, has been known to mankind for a very long time. The cultivation of lentils is as old as early agriculture. It provides a lot of health benefits, which include the following. Good for muscle generation. Our organs and muscles need a constant supply of protein for repair and growth of the body. Lentils, especially sprouted lentils, contain all the essential amino acids that are needed by our body for good muscle building and smooth functioning of the body. Controls diabetes. A study conducted by Anderson and Bridges showed that in the various categories of food, dietary fiber was found to be high in the case of the legume family. Lentils, along with peas and beans, belong to the legume family. Dietary fiber found in foods such as lentils helps in controlling blood sugar levels. Dietary fiber slows down the rate at which food is absorbed by the blood and thus maintains the sugar level constantly. Improves digestion. As lentils contain high levels of dietary fiber, it improves digestion if consumed regularly. It also helps in easy bowel movement, resulting in decreased constipation. Heart health. Lentils, with their negligible amounts of fat, are an ideal source of protein without adding any extra fat to the body, thereby promoting a healthy heart. Lentils contain magnesium, which helps in relaxing cardiovascular muscles and helps to lower blood pressure. Prevents atherosclerosis. Research conducted by Zhu, Guan, and Chang at the Department of Cereal and Food Sciences in North Dakota showed that the consumption of lentils provides a supply of antioxidants that decrease the chances of developing atherosclerosis. Also, these antioxidants play a role in neutralizing free radicals and thereby preventing cell and gene damage or aging. Counteracting cancer. Studies conducted by Elvira Gonzalez de Mejia and Valentin y Trezacaro of the University of Illinois have found that plant lectins, a separate type of plant protein originating from foods like lentils, wheat, peanuts, peas, and soybeans, have great influence on cancer cells. Research studies have shown that these lectins cause cytotoxicity and apoptosis, which means that they have a great potential to control cancer growth. Good source of folic acid. Lentils are a good source of vitamin B complex, such as folate and folate acid. The consumption of folic acid by pregnant women helps in preventing birth defects. According to a study by Susan J. Duthie at the Rowett Research Institute in Aberdeen, UK, a lack of folic acid often results in neural tube defects. Folate, found in lentils, helps in the formation of red blood cells, is good for pregnant women, and plays a key role in maintaining homocysteine levels. It's also known to be effective against hypertension and DNA damage, which may result in cancer. Weight management. Research studies suggest that the regular consumption of lentils can help in weight control and increase satiety. Healthy nervous system. It was long believed that micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals did not have an effect on the functioning of the brain. However, further research suggested that for the proper functioning of the brain, vitamins and minerals are equally important. According to the research conducted by J.M. Boer at the Department of Neuropharmaconutrition at the Fernand Vidal Hospital in Paris, vitamins and minerals found in lentils are helpful in optimum brain functioning. High iron content. Lentils contain high amounts of iron, which is needed by the body for optimum hemoglobin production. About 36% of the iron of the daily recommended value comes from eating 1 cup, or 200 grams, of lentils every day. Improved electrolytic activity. Potassium, one of the minerals found in lentils, is regarded as a better substitute for electrolytic activity than sodium. Many diseases have been associated with a high sodium content and low potassium content in the body. Apart from acting as an electrolyte, potassium is also helpful for the functioning of a number of organs like the heart, brain, and kidney. Boosts metabolism. Lentils are a good source of many vitamins, including vitamin B3, which plays a significant role in boosting the digestive and nervous systems. Vitamin B3 offers many other benefits, including cholesterol control, a decreased risk of diseases like Alzheimer's disease, cataracts, osteoarthritis, and diabetes. A few things to consider. Although lentils are good for your health and are the best alternative for meat, poultry, and fish, they also have few disadvantages, which include risk of kidney stones. Research conducted by Massey et al. At the Washington State University's Department of Food Science and Human Nutrition showed that some lentils such as soybeans, soy foods, peanut butter, and refried beans contain high concentrations of oxalate compounds. These oxalate compounds are responsible for the formation of kidney stones. Therefore, individuals who have kidney stones should stay away from legumes and lentils. Risk of kidney diseases. Consumption of high levels of protein has other side effects as well. On the average, the amount of protein needed for our body stands at 0.8 grams per 1 kilogram of body weight. Excessive protein consumption can pressurize kidneys in flushing out those excess proteins in the body. In the long run, that elimination can damage overall kidney function. Formation of gas due to fermentation. After entering the digestive system, lentils start fermenting and subsequently release gas. These gases can make matters uncomfortable, and therefore too much lentil consumption should be avoided unless you don't mind being a bit gassy.